you're among those people that when you're sleeping, nobody can sleep because you're snoring, I have a remedy for you. Or your partner is among them. Okay, these are some tips on how to, stop snoring. Instead of lying on your back when you're about to sleep, lie on your side and use a firm object so it can lift your head. Maybe firm pillow, or sometimes pillow might not work because pillow is not firm enough. Use firm object. Also, you can use a nasal dilator. It's an object you put in your mouth. It's for those that snore. It helps keep your nostrils open for air to flow while you're sleeping. We have tried all these and snoring still doesn't stop. Okay, you can meet your doctor because there is possibility of you having upper airway obstruction or other respiratory tract diseases that cause you to be snoring like that.